Introducing the Monitor Audio Installation Amplifiers, featuring cutting-edge technology for the best sound performance in any installation project. The multi-channel amplifiers can be used in a wide range of residential and commercial applications, with power up to 2000 watts, offering full connectivity with simple wired voltage trigger or signal sense. Different models in the range can output up to 2, 8 or 12 channels and can be bridged for extra power. The Class D architecture with Hypex amplifier modules guarantee the great sound quality you'd expect from Monitor Audio, reduced into slim 1U and 2U high cases that fit into most racks. The amplifiers work with popular automation systems such as Crestron and Control 4. Our Connect amplifiers offer complex DSP and IP control for even greater customization and integration with any device using a web browser. The amplifier names all begin with IA for installation amplifier, followed by their power in watts, the number of channels, and a C if it's IP connected. The Monitor Audio installation amplifiers deliver the very best distribution technology in a powerful yet efficient way, with the ultimate flexibility for any installation project.